Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we will install a kitchen island, and if you haven't already subscribed, please consider it and like the video for future content. Thanks, hope you enjoy. This is what the area looked like before, and to start off we're gonna run a perpendicular line at the end of our cabinet run so that we know where our island begins. And one thing I would tell you if you're considering installing an island is to leave enough space for two people to work in this area for clearance of the stove area and the sink. And my number one recommendation for better aesthetics, it would be to ideally center your sink cabinet with your stove range area so that they line up perfectly. Here I am chalking the line of the front of my island cabinet, and I had added 3.5 inches for the toe kick area on both sides. I will continue to the back and do the same thing. It was about 20.5 inches. And then I will carry on with marking the width of each cabinet starting from the starting line. I am marking the edge of each cabinet so that I know where to add my blocks to reinforce it to the floor next. I cut my blocks at 18.5 inches so that it would give me a 1/2 inch play on each side in case I need to adjust. I'll be using 3-inch screws to secure them to the ground, and if you have a concrete slab, then you will have to hammer drill a pre-drilled hole first and then add your tap cons to it. Once the layout is complete, we can continue to put the cabinets in place. Here I am marking the plumbing pipes in place. Just keep in mind you will subtract 1 inch from the left wall whenever you're marking them on the inside of the cabinet, and the other measurement I got from the back line that I had already marked. I'm using a 1.25 inch for the 1/2 inch and 3/4 pipes, and then a 3 inch for the 2.5 inch drain pipe. This can be tricky if you're doing it by yourself, but you can accomplish it by resting the weight of the cabinet on your knee and holding the top of the cabinet with your left hand and putting in the pipes with your right, sometimes using your hammer as a arm extension. We can go ahead and secure the 3 cabinets together by taking out the waste bracket from the center one and screwing in on both sides. Next, we're going to work on the dishwasher area, and it needs to be 24.25 wide up front and 24.75 in the back. I will be showing you my method of leveling these cabinets using a laser, but you could use a regular level as well. It's just my preferred method, and honestly they both work the same. They get the job done. I know a lot of old school carpenters don't like to use a laser, they don't trust it, but I like the visual appeal that you can see how level each side is at every given moment. But some people would just rather use a level. Let me know what you think. Do you think it's better? Let me know in the comments. All I did was start chimming up from one edge and split the laser line up top, and I just worked my way around. I know back then laser levels were super expensive, but now there's so much variety of options, and you could always start with a small one and just work your way up. Here I am nailing the back of the dishwasher panel. I'm also making sure my face frames line up perfectly with my 6-foot level. Last but not least, double check your opening measurements. Mine was 47 and 7/8, and I had shot for 48 inches. So as long as you're between a 16th or less of an 1/8, you'll be fine. Keep in mind the countertop will overhang an inch on both sides. Here I am countersinking, where I will place the 2.5-inch screws to secure the island to the blocks down to the floor. I will be using 3 cabinet skins to cover the back of the island, and I will cut them all the same length and width. I am pinnailing the skin to the back of the island in zigzag or dovetail form. And the reason why I do that is some people like to caulk them or seal them, and if they ever do get damaged, you have to remove them, and once they're caulked and sealed, you basically have to tear them off the island and could cause more damage. So this way they're easy to replace and they're very durable. The last step is to install the 3 corables. I will install 2 on the sides and 1 on the center. I'm temporarily nailing them, then I will move on to screwing them into place. Last, I am installing the toe kick. Make sure that your edges are colored in and that the edges are flush with the cabinet side so that the shoe mold fits in nicely. Hope this helped you out, and if you have any further questions, let me know, and thanks for watching.